friends, welcome back to another episode of Heart to Palate, and this week yet another recipe which is a season special I would love to share with you all. Since my mom is from Karwar region and this is typically made in Karwar आणि ह्याला कैरीची आमटी म्हणतात आणि which is like उडद मेथी कैरीची आमटी. That version I'm showing you. So for that I've started with 1 teaspoon of coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of rice, 1 tablespoon of urad dal and 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds or methi dane. आणि मी फक्त ते थोडे सॉटे करून घेणार आहे. I'm just going to saute this for until you get that nice aroma out of it and I'm going to keep it aside. थोडासा गुलाबी सर रंग करून घ्यायचा आणि ते and the aroma is like amazing at this stage. So I'm just going to stop roasting this at this stage. I'm going to take it out in the plate. And you don't want to just burn it. You just want to get it to that stage. Just pink color येईसोर उडीद डाळीला आपण फक्त ते रोस्ट करून घ्यायचं आहे. Now in the same kadhai, I'm just going to dry roast the coriander seeds, which are whole coriander seeds. 1 tablespoon I've taken, and about 3 to 4 bedgi mirchi I have taken. So you can see I have not roasted it too dark. थोडंसं एक फ्लेवर त्याला यायला पाहिजे फक्त ड्राय रोस्ट करून तसं मी करून घेतलं धण्यांना. So for the actual tadka, I'm using 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. To that I'm adding about teaspoonful of rye or mustard seeds and let them splutter. And I'm going to add about 1/4 teaspoon of hing to this or asafoetida. Then I'm going to add haldi, which is about 1/2 teaspoonful. Make sure it splutters, and then I'm going to add kairiche fodi, which is raw mango pieces. I'm going to add. If you like it without the skin, you might as well can use it that way, but I like it with the skin, and I've kept it about 2 inches big pieces like so. Now rice nicely spluttering, so I'm going to add the mango pieces, raw mango pieces to this. I'm going to add the seed also. मी बाट पण घालते. तुम्हाला जर आवडत नसेल तर नका घालू, पण मला खूप आवडते कारण ती मस्त अशी चोखता येते नंतर त्याला मस्त मसाला जो लागलेला असतो आमटीचा. इवन यू कॅन सेव्ह दिस बाट अँड ॲड इट टू माशाची आमटी और डाळीच्या आमटीला पण तुम्ही घालू शकता. छान आंबटपणा येतो त्याने. All these seasonal things you should use in your cooking all the time when you get all these things in the market. And that's the best way to enjoy the flavors of the season. I'm going to add about cupful of water to this and I'm going to cook the mango pieces now. I'm going to add about a teaspoonful of salt to this and cover the pan and let the mango pieces or kairi pieces cook. You can increase the flame to about medium now and छानपैकी शिजू द्या. So about in 7 to 8 minutes it should be cooked. So while our raw mango is getting cooked, I made paste out of the freshly grated coconut. I had taken about 1 cupful of freshly grated coconut. To that I had added the roasted mixture of rice, urad and methi, and also the dhania seeds, which was coriander and the bedgi mirchi. So I have made fine paste out of it, which we will add to the mango curry, which is kairicha amtila pan ghalnara. So it's been exactly 8 minutes that I was cooking the raw mango. Let's see if it's cooked or not. Yes, I can show it to you. आता ही कैरी छान शिजली आहे. See? Now I'm going to add that batter that we had made with ola khobra, urad methi, rice and also dhane and bedgi mirchi. Look at the color now. I'm going to add a little bit of Kashmiri mirchi also because it gives nice color to the curry. And basically rice घालण्याचं कारण म्हणजे त्याने छान जरा ना जाडसरपणा येतो आमटीला. That's the reason you add a little bit of थोडेसे तांदूळ घालायचे म्हणजे छान त्याला थिकनेस येतो आमटीला. ओ माय गॉड, हाऊ आय विश यू कुड जस्ट स्मेल दिस अरोमा. दिस इज लाईक heaven. I'm going to add a little bit of water. I'll rinse my mixer jar, which about half a cup full of water I'm adding. I'm going to add about a teaspoonful of Kashmiri red chili powder. Let it come to a boil now. छान कड येऊ द्या. आणि I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of jaggery to this. कारण ही आमटी अशी छान तिखट आंबट गोड अशी मस्त असते. गरमागरम भाताबरोबर ट्राय करा. अँड द रेसिपी दॅट आय शोड यू फॉर फणसाची भाजी, ट्राय विथ फणसाची भाजी, केळफुलाची भाजी खूप छान लागते लाल वाटपाची आमटी त्याच्याबरोबर. सो make it and enjoy the flavors of the season. And I'm going to let it just simmer for about another 5 to 7 minutes. And it's that simple and easy and yet very flavorful and tasty. I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of salt to this since we added the watan now. And let it come to a boil. So कैरीची आमटी और कैरीची उड़ीद मेथी is ready to be served. Serve it with garma garam bhat. I can't wait to try it and I'm sure you would love it too. So please enjoy the recipe. So आपली कारवार स्पेशल कैरीची आमटी और उड़ीद मेथी is ready to be served. The recipe is in the description box below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe Heart to Palate.